Where? Right here?
This is really cool. Thank you for
You got it. All right, that's good. Yeah. Where's Corson West?
Right up there.
About the leaves changing color. And we had our crew out there this morning with orange paint, red paint, yellow paint. Ace Hardware loves us because we buy cases of paint.
Yeah, the leaves did turn colors. They just
That's not funny, but
they're just turning brown because
These are all green here
you know,
still.
it wasn't cold.
there we go.
Ooh, look how
Cold.
cute
They
that
said the coldness changed.
is. This one that we passed
Oh,
earlier?
the Culver Road.
Oh my
That-
God.
Yeah, check out that Culver Road with that. 1832 that was built. You can actually drive your car underneath it. I don't recommend a motorhome, don't that.
There's a bike
Unless you got a convertible motorhome.
in the tree.
In the tree right there, there's a bicycle.
You got it.
I don't know.
There you go. You got it. There's a bike in that tree. Somebody threw a bike over the...
Oh, we do have train schedules
Where's that thing?
and brochures. If you like one, let the crew know. We are running Santa Claus train rides starting November 24th till December 23rd. You get board in Medina or board in Lockport for 12 o'clock train departure. And also we decorate the trains. We have music and singing and all that. They won't let me sing. I could dance. If you got family coming up, please make reservations. Please.
How did your character chirp in your beak color?
Pecker color.
Beaker. Can I see the shot?
What?
The photographs.
Oh.
Bring up
Oh,
the
the
liquor.
battery's just about dead.
I want to see the one where he's holding me and let me buy.
Get out of my ear. And then just go hit this one to go back to it.
See?